Hey guys, this is Melissa, 907 Crafts. Got Diamond walking around here, thinks she's making biscuits. Just when I start to record, she's been asleep all day, and now she's decided she wants to play. Come on, girl. I previously unboxed this partially, testing my live. I didn't take the canvas out or anything. You gonna open it for you? Is that what you're gonna do? So I just basically went into it. I didn't look at the canvas or anything. She's gonna sprawl out here, but that's okay. Got this cute little clear bag. See what kind of goodies I got in here. This is a cute little bag right here. It says thank you. Oh, I guess I need to tell you, this is from Christina. Rainy Day Diamonds, or I think it's Blushing Blackbirds on Etsy. I will link both of those. It's Rainy Day Boutique and Blushing Blackbird. I think you get your pink wax and this cute little pink wax holder. Well, I can't get the lid back on it. Got a couple of stickers. It's a flower sticker. And another flower sticker. Hold on a minute, guys. I got to turn the light on. Maybe you can get some light on the subject and y'all guys can see better. Then you get your standard pink pen with a purple squishy with a single placer, and this looks like a 14 placer. It's one of the thin 14 placers. And your standard green boat. Put that all back in there so I don't lose all that. I love that bag with those gold leaves on it. It says, thank you, Melissa, for testing this new kit. Hope you will enjoy, Christina. Like I said, I have opened this before, so still don't know what this little thing is. Comes in a cute little, looks like the moon and the stars organza bag. And this bee green. Still don't know what that is. But I'll find use. It's got a little storage pocket in it. It's really cute. I guess I'll research that bee green and see what that is. I've been aiming to text her and ask her, but I've been forgetting about it. She really packs this stuff well. I don't know if you can see up in there, but the box is empty. Diamond, I'll show you the diamonds, and then we're going to have to Get my cat to move a little bit. You yawning? Really? Won't you go somewhere and go to sleep? Because you're all up in the way. Yes, you are. You're all up in my way. Yes, you are. Guinness says thank you. I'm going to keep this paper. I don't know why, but I like it. Well, got that hung on there somehow. Okay. Look at these. These are all crystals. I love her crystal journal canvases. I don't know if you can see those. One. Those looks like, yeah, they're red. Ooh, those are really pretty red ones. Those are purple. The blacks are just regular round 310s. But everything else is crystal. Here is the image. Yeah, you can see that. I'm gonna put y'all on hold. I'm back. It got hot in here all of a sudden. Had to go cut my air off. Well, it ain't cut off yet, but I'll tell you what I'm gonna do. It's got 18 colors. Let's see if y'all can see them. I'm gonna put them in, just put them in order here. It sure looks like more than 15. Oh my gracious, look at that. Those pretty pinks. That's my birthstone. 11, 14, 9, 10. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put these in order, and then I'm going to take y'all down off the tripod. I think this thing's got more than 18 colors. Yeah, it does. It's got 35 colors. It's got your legend here off to the side. Strips. But y'all just run these through the sticker maker. Fix and say I got more bags here than 18. $10, $11, $12, $13, $14, $15, $16, $17, $18, $19. This is some beautiful colors. $20, $21, $22, $23, $24, $25, 34, 33, 32, 30, 27, 31. You know what? I'm not going to take you down from the tripod. I'm just going to show you each of these. These are just crystal. It's number 4. And these are kind of a dark shade of gray. A light lavender. Oh, this is actually colors. Hi. Number 6. 340. I done showed you that one. 7. These are 434s. They're a brown looking color. $436s. These are 550s. So this is actual, I know purple is 550, so this is actual DMC codes. This is 552. Beautiful shade of purple. Can't tell if you're getting a glare on there or not. And then again, this is number 554. 581. 597. This is 600. 640. 666. $6.99. And these are 702s. Isn't that beautiful green? And then 704. Big bag is 725s, which is a gold. $728. Those are some beautiful colors. $792s. $796s. $801s. Those are actually brown. I just can't get them all turned over. They're a brown looking color. And then you've got 815. 820s. 844s. 909s. 946. Look at that gorgeous orange. Then we got 30 is 3078s. 3328s. a really pretty red. $37.33s. Ooh, this is 38.11s. I love that color. Think they're even prettier in crystal than they are in normal drills. These has got so many in them, I can't. This is 38.52s. Then you got your 5200s, which look silver, but they're not. They're clear. It's just white. So I'm going to get all these put up. I don't know. Oh, there it is. I'll never get them put back in there as neatly as they were, but I'm going to give it a shot. I may start work on this one next. I've got a couple of whips in progress. My Ice Princess and Wishes, and then I've got another partial drill that I've been working on here doing whipping chats. This is day 2 of the 7 days of 7 days of upload challenge. Put these back in there. If I don't, I will have them lost. Again, I'm trying out another angle, so I don't know how this is going to work. And more tape. And I have no clue where my scissors are at. There we go. I'll roll this backwards, see if that works. I don't know about y'all, but I love these solid crystal images. Have another one I've done unboxed, which is the red roses and pomegranates. Oh my gracious, I hadn't even started that thing yet. I can't wait to start it. But this one, I don't know. It's probably going to be right up there with the beginner starters. Let's see if I can get this to lay down a little bit. Look. Oh no, this is actually in 2 pieces of plastic. Huh. Never seen that before. I thought I'd tore the plastic. I thought I'd messed up. I'm just going to put this on it to hold it. Got your... Well... Doesn't have a thumbnail. I showed y'all the thumbnail. Just kidding. It's right here. It's tropical flowers. This canvas is super clear. It's going to be a pleasure to work on. What, baby? What? Yeah, I know. Let Mama get through here. I just keep moving it around, but I want y'all to see how big the legend is on this thing. Let me show you how clear these symbols are. Absolutely gorgeous. I'll show you on a darker. This is a 50 by 70. Definitely sticky. Don't want to even let go of the plastic. I think it's got a glare on it there. Can't get that glare off. But trust me, it is extremely clear. It uses numbers, letters, and there's only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 14 of the 35 numbers is anything other than alphanumeric. So that's going to be awesome. No wonky symbols to mess with. And like I said, this is going to be pretty close to the top of my whips. Should be starting on it next. Let's see, do I have? No, I actually don't. It doesn't give a W152 anywhere on that. So I'm just going to have to keep this canvas and these drills together in this box that I just shoved that paper back in. If I don't, I won't ever keep up with them. But that's okay. I can take this on the outside of the box so I'll know what it is. And put it with my boxed up canvas. Maybe. Boxed up canvases already. Because this one's going to be, I ain't going to put it up for long. But I am going to put the image on the outside of the box. Hold that thought. That way I'll know what the image is, so I don't just think I've got a box and have to pull everything out and look at it. But that's all I got for right now. This is day 2 of the 7-day challenge. Will I make it or will I not? I'm going to try my best. Bye, guys. Okay, guys, I'm back. I just thought I was letting y'all go. I got to thinking about this. Couldn't figure out what this is. So I went to Googling. It is a grocery storage bag. I knew it had to be something. I thought it had bean bags in it. I'm going to see if I can figure out how to fold it like the video said. Nope. I'm going to watch the video and see if I can figure out how to do it. Okay. Well, Well, you ahead of me, dude. You got ahead of me. Well, okay. Now I don't even know right here. I may just have to give up on this one. Wait, whoa, stop, dude. Okay, I don't know what I'm doing wrong.
Gather up your plastic bags because I've got a couple projects.
Oh, just kidding. Maybe. Go me, go me. Voila. I figured it out. Not exactly like it was. Now it is. And you have a grocery bag. Again, bye guys.